Morning. In today's video, we will discuss the difference between SUMIF and SUMIFS function with an example. This is the sales report of an electronic shop. We'll start with the SUMIF function. SUMIF function is used to find a single criteria. Here we take pen drive as a criteria. So the formula is SUMIF open bracket the range. The range is this value. Okay, some criteria. Here the criteria we are going to select pen drive, comma, some range. Some range always be a numeric value. So this is the numeric value, close bracket. So the value is 35,000. Cross check. Here the pen drive value is 3,000. First pen drive. Second here pen drive is 18,000. So 21,000. And third here pen drive is 14,000. So total 35,000. Okay. This example 2 we are going to find criteria as a mouse. Sum if open bracket the range is here, comma, criteria is mouse, comma, sum range. This is the sum range, close bracket. Here mouse is only 8,000. Let's cross that number 2. Here mouse is only 8,000 and after that there is no more mouse. Okay. Now let's see sum if function. It is used to find multiple criteria. Here we take criteria 1 as a monitor and criteria 2 as Samsung. So the formula is sum if sum range. This is a sum range. It will always be a numeric value, comma, criteria range 1. Criteria range 1. This is the criteria range 1, comma, our criteria is monitor, comma, criteria range 2. It should be this one, comma, and our criteria is the make Samsung. Okay, close bracket. Here the total sales is 90,000. Let's cross check. In the monitor made from Samsung, first one is 90,000 and after that no more make from Samsung. So the value is right. Let's see another example. The criteria is printer, number 1 criteria, number 2 criteria is Canon. Let's see sum if function open bracket sum range. It should be the numeric value always, okay, comma, criteria 1, the range 1. Criteria range 1 it's this one, comma, criteria 1 is printer, okay, comma, criteria range 2. This is criteria range 2, the make, comma, and the criteria range 2, the criteria range is Canon, sorry, close bracket. The total sales is 1,40,000. Let's cross check this one. In printer section made with Canon, first value is 80,000 and here another value is 60,000. So total 1,40,000. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay.